Hi friends, good morning. We are going to start a new chapter, differentiation. It is very important for 12th exam. Let us see some basic formulae. Derivative of x equal to 1. Derivative of x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Next, derivative of k equal to 0, where k is constant. Means derivative of constant is always 0. Derivative of e raised to x equal to e raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x equal to a raised to x into log a, where a is constant, not variable. Derivative of log x equal to 1 upon x. Derivative of root x equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of 1 upon x equal to minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of sin x equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. Derivative of tan x equal to sec square x. Derivative of cot x equal to minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x equal to sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Let us see some basic rules for solving the differentiation. First is derivative of u plus minus v. U and v are two different functions. U plus minus v equal to derivative of u plus minus derivative of v. Means they have taken separately. Next, product rule, derivative of u into v. Two different functions here, u and v equal to v into derivative of u plus u into derivative of v. For simplification, we can remember this product rule as derivative of first into second equal to second into derivative of first plus first into derivative of second. I am repeating this. Derivative of first into second equal to second into derivative of first plus first into derivative of second. Next is quotient rule. Derivative of u upon v. Again, u and v are two different functions. Equal to v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. For simplification, derivative of first upon second equal to second into derivative of first minus first into derivative of second upon second square. There is difference between product rule and quotient rule is that here we start with second into derivative of first, sign is plus and here sign is minus and divided by second square. Okay. Let us see some examples based on these rules and formula. Find dy by dx. Where to find dy by dx of given function? Dy by dx means derivative. Here we are given y equal to x cube plus e raised to x minus sin x. Find dy by dx. We have to take the differential. First, we have to differentiate given function with respect to x. Differentiating given function with respect to x means dy by dx of y equal to dy by dx of x cube plus a raised to x minus sin x. dy by dx of y equal to dy by dx of x cube plus a raised to x minus sin x. Now we know the basic rule. First basic rule, we are applying it. dy by dx of x cube plus dy by dx of e raised to x minus dy by dx of sin x. We are taking this derivative, this function, derivative of this function separately equal to, we know the formula, dy by dx of x raised to n. We know that dy by dx of x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Here n is 3. We are applying this formula. 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1. Using this formula, n into x raised to n minus 1. Here n equal to 3 means 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 plus we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x minus derivative of sin x is cos x. Means we are getting the answer dy by dx equal to 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 plus e raised to x minus cos x equal to 3 into x square 3 minus 1 2 means x square plus e raised to x minus cos x. This is final answer. Here this second example, y equal to log x minus cosec x plus 5 raised to x plus x raised to 4 by 3. Again differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x means dy by dx equal to d by dx of all function log x minus cosec x plus 5 raised to x plus x raised to 4 by 3. d by dx of y equal to d by dx of log x minus cosec x plus 5 raised to x plus x raised to 4 by 3 equal to taking different derivatives d by dx of log x minus d by dx of cosec x plus d by dx of 5 raised to x plus d by dx of x raised to 4 by 3 equal to derivative of log x is 1 upon x. We know the formula derivative of log x equal to 1 upon x minus derivative of cosec x. We know the formula derivative of cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot x plus derivative of 5 raised to x. We know the formula derivative of a raised to x equal to a raised to x into log n means 5 raised to x derivative of 5 raised to x equal to 5 raised to x into log 5 plus derivative of x raised to 4 by 3 where using formula derivative of x raised to n derivative of x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Here n is 4 by 3 means derivative of x raised to 4 by 3 equal to 4 by 3 into x raised to 4 by 3 minus 1 equal to 1 upon x minus minus plus cosec x into cot x plus 5 raised to x into log 5 plus 4 by 3 into x raised to 4 by 3 minus 1. 4 by 3 minus 1 is 4. We are taking cross multiplication. 4 into 1 4 minus 3 into 1 3 upon 3 equal to 1 upon 3. 4 minus 1 4 minus 3 1 upon 3 1 by 3 means x raised to 1 upon 3. This is our final answer. Okay. Third example given y equal to x raised to 5 into tan x. Here are two functions x raised to 5 and tan x. First function and this is second function x raised to 5 into tan x. Now here we are using product rule. First differentiating with respect to x dy by dx equal to using product rule. Second function is tan x into derivative of first function x raised to 5 plus first function x raised to 5 into derivative of tan x equal to tan x into derivative of x raised to 5. Derivative of x raised to 5 using formula derivative of x raised to n. n into x raised to n minus 1 means 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1 plus x raised to 5 into derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x equal to tan x into 5 into x raised to 4 plus x raised to 5 into sec square x. We are taking common here x raised to 4 and from here x raised to 4. Remaining is 5 into tan x, 5 tan x plus from x raised to 5, if we have taken x raised to 4, then remains is x into sec square x. This is our final answer. Now next example is y equal to sin x into log x plus e raised to x into cos x. Again differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to dy by dx of sin x into log x plus e raised to x into cos x. Means dy by dx of sin x log x plus dy by dx of e raised to x into cos x. Different separate derivatives. Again using the product rule. First function and this is second function. Here first function, second function. We know the product rule is if derivative of first into second equal to second into derivative of first means log x into derivative of sin x plus first is sin x into derivative of second means log x plus again here we are using product rule. First function is e raised to x, second is cos x means cos x second function into derivative of first that is e raised to x plus first function e raised to x into derivative of second is cos x equal to log x derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus cos x into derivative of e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Means log x into cos x plus sin x upon x plus cos x into e raised to x minus plus minus e raised to x into sin x. This is the final answer for given. Next example is y equal to x square plus 3 upon x square minus 5. This example is based on quotient rule. Again differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by dx of x square plus 3 upon x square minus 5 equal to, here we are using the quotient rule. We know that quotient rule is derivative of first upon second equal to second into derivative of first. Second means here x square minus 5 into derivative of first. First means x square plus 3. Next sign is minus, then first x square plus 3 into derivative of second x square minus 5 whole is divided by secant square means x square minus 5 bracket square equal to x square minus 5 into derivative of x square. We know that derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of 3 means constant. Derivative of constant is 0 minus x square plus 3 into derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of 5. 5 is constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Whole divided by x square minus 5 bracket square equal to x square minus 5 into 2x plus 0 is 2x minus x square plus 3 into 2x minus 0 2x whole divided by x square minus 5 square. Now from numerator we can take 2x as common. 2x remaining thing is x square minus 5 minus x square plus 3. As we have taken 2x as common outside the bracket divided by x square minus 5 square equal to 2x into x square minus 5 minus x square minus plus minus 3 divided by x square minus 5 bracket square equal to 2x into plus x square get cancelled minus 5 minus 3 means minus 8 divided by x square minus 5 bracket square that is equal to 2 into minus 8 minus 16x upon x square minus 5 bracket square. This is the final answer for given example.